So clearly you clicked this video because you want to learn how to day trade. All right, so in this video, we're going to go over 5 simple steps on how to become a day trader and how to get started in day trading. So first thing you want to do is have a job, or if you don't have a job, get a job. It can be DoorDash, it can be Uber, it can be working in retail, working in the mall, it can be anywhere, as long as you work a job that doesn't come in between your trading. So for me, I work 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. okay, and then in the morning I trade from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. right? So that would be like the schedule. So you're gonna have to sacrifice yourself. If you really want to make it, you're gonna have to sacrifice your time to learn the skill, your time to take like live trades, to back test, to do a lot of stuff if you want to really make it into day trading. So like I said, first thing you need to get is a job, an income. Also, the reason why you want an income is because you do not want to be trading for the money, okay? The money is a side effect, okay? The money comes later. Right now, you're focusing on how to become a day trader, how to trade. So if you have a job, you do not have to focus on, oh, I have to make this much money today. Oh, I have to make this amount of money today. Oh, this, if I don't make this money, I'm not gonna, you know what I'm saying? That leads to over trading, over risking, poor risk management, and everything just crumbles down and you quit, right? So that's the first thing, get a job. All right, so now let's assume you know everything, technical analysis. You have a strategy, you have a mentor, you have all these things, and now you're ready to actually take it to the charts, right? You wanna hop on demo, okay? Hop on a demo account. Trust me, it's better for you to hop on a demo account before you do anything with spending real money or even just wasting your money on accounts, on fundeds, on even live accounts, right? But we're gonna get to that in a little bit. But it's better if you just hop on a demo, okay? When you hop on a demo and you take trades, you lose, and then you start winning, you start building up your wins. This is where you build confidence, okay? You start building confidence in your trading, and you keep building confidence until you can finally hop off the demo, right? So you want at least 3 months of profitability on demo. 3 months, not 1 month, okay? Because everybody can have a 1 month of profitability and then the next 6 months straight unprofitable, straight no winning trades, straight losses, straight L's on their account. So like I said, 3 months on demo, 3 months. That's what we need to do. 3 months on demo, consistent profits on demo, consistent wins, consistent 1 to 2s, consistent 1 to 3s. It could even be consistent 1 to 1s, right? So 2 and 3 come together, hop on a demo to build confidence, okay? So now that you have built confidence, right, in your trading strategy, in the trades that you take on a daily basis, right, you want to use the tools that we are provided, okay? You want to get on a funded account, right, or a prop firm, right? There's 2 different things: funded accounts and prop firm. Prop firms, you pay a big amount of money to have a certain amount of time to make money, to make the profit target, and then you get, you know, the funded part of the prop firm, and they give you a certain amount of time. But with the funded account like Apex or Top Step, what you do, you pay a monthly subscription, right? Basically, you pay a monthly subscription to be able to pass the evaluation challenge. So let's say you have a 250K account, right? You pay a monthly subscription of whatever they're selling it for, and you pay it until you hit the profit target of $15,000. I know I said we're gonna go back to up here. Don't worry about the money, but after you've done these steps, obviously you know how much money you have to risk to make that profit target, you know, possible, right? So use the tools. Prop firm or a funded account, use the tools. We live now in a day and age that they have made it so easy for us to get funding on these prop firm accounts and everything, they made it so much easier for us to become profitable and get out of the rat race, right? Okay, so now what you want to do if you're doing everything right and you're staying consistent and you're doing everything with the profits that you have from the funded accounts, you're gonna go over and save them and throw it into a live account. Okay, you want to throw it into a live account. Don't go spending money on Gucci, fucking designer, Dior, none of that. You don't need none of that right now. You want to become successful in the trading industry, you have to live below your means. Okay, so all the money that you get from these prop firms, split it in half. One side for taxes, another side for you and your live account, right? So what I like to do when I get a payout or when I get money from trading, I cut it in half. So let's say I make 1,000. I cut it in half. I take a 500 and I take another 500. 500's for me. The rest, the other 500, I put it in a tax account. So I put it in my bank account, but it's called tax account. So when the time comes when you need to pay taxes, there's no confusion and you won't go to jail, right? So like I said, have these payouts come into the live account. Once you do that, obviously at that point, if you're getting consistent payouts from the prop firms and the funded accounts, you're obviously a profitable day trader, right? So you want to put it into a live account so this can erase, right? This can erase. So once you put in the live account and you're making consistent profits, you don't even have to go back into a prop firm. We'll delete it from there, or you can stay on a prop firm. Up to you. Anyway, I showed you the steps on how to become a day trader, but what you gotta remember most is you cannot give up. Once you start, there's no going back. I promise you. You will become addicted. You will become addicted to taking trades. You will become addicted to being on the market and looking at it. Yes, it might be confusing at first, but I promise you, it's as simple than it looks. I promise you, it is so simple. Out the way. Let me give you guys a little bit of motivation and a little bit on how your journey is gonna go. Obviously, some people can be profitable in 6 months. Some people can be profitable in a year. It just depends on you, and it depends on how much you wanna learn this skill, right? So there's gonna be a point where you're gonna be winning, and you're gonna be on a really good winning streak, right? And there's gonna come a point in your head, you're gonna say, okay, yeah, I'm the best trader in the world. I'm the best. I can do this. This is gonna be whatever. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna come a point that there's gonna come a losing streak. Once that losing streak comes, I'm telling you, do not give up, because that's when most traders give up at their losing streak. They don't push through and they just give up and they think it's a scam. They think it's not real. Okay, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, I promise you. If you want to make it in 2025, trust me, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and not even just in trading. Stay consistent in life. Head to the gym, eat healthy. You know what I'm saying? That would all correlate into everything, okay? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was informational for you guys. Vlog is coming out soon. I will be posting a new vlog maybe tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.